a hacker in the shadows, got a world to explore. Living in the code, always wanting more. My home is the terminal where the magic starts. Every line I type, it's a work of art. Switching through projects like they're on a stream. Every keystroke's valuable, living out my dream. With a flick of my wrist, I can automate the grind. Install my favorite software, leave the past behind. Are you ready to push the limits and break down the walls? In the depths of the network, hear destiny's calls, where beginners become pros and mastery unfolds. Every detail matters, watch the future unfold. Navigating the network, I see every connection. Vulnerabilities hiding, waiting for detection. From the tiniest scripts to the vastest domains, I compile my intentions, shedding digital chains. Creating user accounts with a couple of commands. Anonymity's my partner, no one understands. Optimizing every moment, every interaction's key. In my digital kingdom, I'm totally free. Are you ready to push the limits? Define your own way in the heart of the rhythm, where the curious play, where exploration thrives and knowledge ignites. Every detail matters, here the future's in sight. Searching for solutions, blazing down the path. If it's less than perfect, I'll harness my wrath, spending hours unwinding what could save me a sec. Like a puzzle in the dark, I'll see what they neglect. The key to the mystery lies in every small part. Every keystroke tells a story from the depths of the heart. Every vulnerability has a narrative it's told. Behind every secure system, there's a secret to unfold. Lessons learned in battle, every exploit's a guide, teaching us the dangers that we face worldwide. In the echo of the keys, my passion comes alive. This is where it all begins, it's where I truly thrive. Are you ready to push the limits? Defy the old rules. In the world of the terminal, we're breaking the tools, where the curious ascend and the brave take their stand. Every detail matters in this limitless land. So follow my lead, let your curiosity flow. In the home of the terminal, there's so much to know. From new beginnings to mastery, it's a thrilling chase. In the whispers of the network, we find our own place. With each keystroke we write, we create a new tale. In the realm of the hackers, where we will prevail. Here